Hello students, welcome to this video lecture on isometric projection. I, Anthony Augustine, in this video would be discussing the construction of an isometric circle by 4-center method. We start first by drawing the isometric scale. We draw the axis line and lines inclined at 45 and 30 degrees. On the line inclined at 45 degrees, I take divisions with 1 centimeter distance interval. These represent the true length. From these points, I draw perpendicular onto the line inclined at 30 degrees and find the point of intersections, that is the isometric length. Now, I will be taking a distance of 3 centimeter on isometric length, that is the isometric length of 30 mm, on my compass, and I'll draw a circle. We'll then enclose this circle with 4 tangents to form a square shown. This is the reference figure for the isometric construction. We next draw the isometric axis that are lines inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. The distances along the x and y axis on the reference figure are taken along the isometric axis that we have drawn. We get a rhombus construction for the square because we are now drawing along the isometric axis. Distances I have taken from the square which I had drawn in the reference figure. Now I will find the center or midpoints of the sides of this rhombus, and then I'll join the corners having acute angle with a diagonal line. From the corner having obtuse angle, I'll draw a line up to the midpoint of the opposite side. This I do for both the opposite sides of the obtuse angle corner. This would give me 2 points of intersection, which are the 2 centers out of the 4 for constructing the isometric circle. Next, I'll be utilizing one of the obtuse angle corners as the center for constructing isometric circle arcs. So with this corner point as the center and radius up to the midpoint of the side, opposite side, I draw arc like this. Similarly, through the obtuse angle corner and with radius at midpoint of the opposite side, I draw an arc like this. Now, I will be utilizing the points I had found earlier and keeping my compass on this point, and with radius up to the midpoint of the side, I draw an arc like this. Next point I'll take as the point where I'll keep my compass, and radius up to the midpoint of the side, I'll draw an arc. This completes the isometric circle construction that is lying in the HP, that is the top view plane. We can follow the same construction for a vertical plane. So we start with the isometric scale construction, and we'll draw the reference figure using the same pattern, same distance of isometric length 30 mm radius. Okay, so we are going to take distance along the isometric length, that is the third division from the origin, and we'll draw the circle. Next, we'll make the tangents and enclose the circle within a square. This is the reference figure with isometric length. Now I'll draw the isometric axis, which is inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal, and I transfer the distances of these square sides onto the isometric axis, which are vertical and lines inclined at 30 degrees. So here I'll be finding the midpoints of the rhombus, and As in the previous method, we'll join the corners having acute angle with a diagonal line. From the obtuse angle corners, we'll join line up to the midpoint of the opposite side. So we'll get the two centers for constructing the isometric circle. Next, I'll be utilizing the corners of the rhombus. So in this case, this corner where I am pointing, and with radius up to the midpoint of the opposite side, I'll draw an arc. Similarly, the other obtuse angle corner, I keep my compass, and taking radius up to the midpoint of the opposite side, I draw an arc like this. And the next construction, I'll be utilizing this point, taking radius up to the midpoint of the side of the rhombus, I'll draw an arc construction. For the fourth center, I'll keep my compass and take distance up to the midpoint of the side and draw an arc. This completes the construction of isometric circle of 60 mm diameter in the vertical plane, that is the front view or side view plane, but it is a vertical plane, that's important. So this is the construction of an isometric circle.